What is going on, you guys? We out here, and today we are fixing a scratch on my car. Roll the intro! We got this bad boy right here. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. You should be able to. Oh yeah. Right here, you guys can see it. It's pretty large. Thanks again, Anya. Jeez, that's why you're my third backup wife. Today, we are going to be fixing that, and I'm gonna show you how. Step one, I dropped my phone. You're gonna wanna wet that bitch. Me and my dad recently installed this nice new quarter turn hose. So handy, I highly suggest you guys get one of these bad boys. So easy to get this going. Whew. And you're just gonna wanna wet it. Whoops, I missed. Alright, you see how some of the scratch, not all of it, but like most of it goes away when I cover it with water? That means that it's just a light scratch in my clear coat, and it'll be nice and easy to fix. The parts that didn't go away were just a little bit deeper into the clear coat, but I still managed to get them out. Step two, wipe it down. Also, fun fact, if you use like these athletic shorts, they have a towel loop right there, and it makes it super useful so your towels aren't blowing away. They just hold them for you. It's really nice. Wipe it down. Let's get all that water off right here. Look, there's a couple of scratches actually, dang. And now that's all dry, it is now time to apply our scratch remover. This stuff right here is the new Finish Scratch Doctor. I'm using it right now because this is what we have, but if you guys want to save some money, Scion actually has their own version of it, and if you use code Toothless, you save 10%. So yeah, check that out. Here's the Scion Scratch Remover. I'm sure it works tremendously as all their products do. I only use the new Finish Scratch Doctor though because it's all I had on hand. I might do a review on the Scion version though. Let me know if that would be something you'd be interested in watching. Comment down below. I always like to give this stuff a nice good shake before I use it. Then you just put some of this stuff right onto the microfiber cloth right here, and then we can just apply it. Here's the scratch right here. As you can see, I put some on already, and we're just gonna cover up the whole scratch. Put it all on all these little ones too. There we go, we got it on. It's just gonna dry to this nice haze, kind of more like that. As you can see, it's more hazy there. It's looking all kind of blotchy, but it'll be all good. You gotta trust the process. Now we're gonna wanna wipe it in. There we go. All right, so we're wiping this in right now, and as you can see, it's looking a lot better, but we're gonna make it look even better. Ready? With this polish right here, what you're gonna wanna do is get your polish and shake it all up, and just put it on your microfiber cloth. And then you can just dab it onto the car where you need it. And now it's time to rub it on in. So here we go. And look at that. So that's how you fix the scratch on your car. I hope this video was a help to you guys. As you can see, my car's looking so much better now that that scratch isn't there. It used to be all I would look at from here. I just focusing right on the scratch. Now I just gotta, okay, honestly, this doesn't really bother me. I'm gonna cut that off. But we'll save that for another video. Can you guess what I have in store? Comment down below, baby. But here are the products that I use. McGuire's polish right here. They also have a compound. I have the compound too. Compound works good for getting out scratches as well, but this stuff works really good. I'm assuming the Shine Armor stuff's good. I mean, all their products are really good. I got the Fortified Quick Coat right here, and that works like a dream. So if you guys want to save 10% off and help support the channel, if you click the link down in the description below, you'll be able to get the Shine Armor Scratch Fixer and Fortified Quick Coat all 10% off. Thanks to me, you're welcome. And it's just one trip for you guys, so I hope that like makes it easier for shopping, and plus they just deliver it right to you. But the next thing I'm gonna be doing on the car, because I know you guys want more car videos, I want to make more car videos, and this is what we're gonna be doing next. Boom! Springs, baby! Right here I got some 26K springs. Right here, they got the helper springs with them too. It's upside down right here. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I don't think I'll be using the helper springs at all, but because I want to get low. I need to get like this right here, me being able to like kind of fit my foot under the car right here. This unacceptable. We need to close that gap. So I'm gonna be replacing the springs. And there we go. That'll help me get nice and low. And plus I'm bottoming out. So this will help stiffen up. This will really help stiffen up the front and allow me to not bottom out anymore. I'm also going to be doing some work on the rear springs because this, I want to get fender to lip, front and back, as much as, like, as close as possible. I think that just looks beautiful when it's fender to lip. Oh, so I'm really going to try to, I'm going to fix my fitment. It'll be in the next episode, so make sure you guys subscribe, like the video if this helped or if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video of whatever I make. Easy, easy, easy. You guys have a great day. Bye.
FBI, open up! I'm not allowed to use copyrighted music. Guy through the ceiling. Boom! Dirt on the wall. Boom! Breaking the table. Boom! That's right, mud. Take that through the window, baby. Dirty cars. Break this. No. Shine Armor's got that. Dirt. Oh my god. 10% off with code Toothless. Link in bio. It's in the air and it's huge. Whoosh, whoosh, infused ceramic coating. Whoosh, whoosh. Helicopter sound. Oh, the humanity! Oh my god! Helicopter sound, whoosh, whoosh. What the hell am I doing with my life? Just buy the damn product.